Gen Sorting Solutions, a brand with 30+ years of vast experience and varied engineering expertise in manufacturing.
Made of MS and SS 304 and SS 316, based on industry requirement. Specialized vibratory system for better separation. High-speed sieving process. Portable and easy design to dismantle for cleaning and mesh replacement. Single and multi-deck configuration. Motor capacity 0.25 HP to 2 HP. Power supply 3-phase AC.
Thanks for watching. To know more details, click below product videos.